a boy tried. I'll put the sparkle right back in your eyes. What could you lose? Well, for one, her heart belongs to another, and no other heart will do. Is it wrong to think my love could really help you out? It's simply just my stubborn heart, no doubt, rambling away. If it's not, then come on, give this love